Alright, so I did a lot of research on tractors, and John Deere, Kubota, Husqvarna, and a bunch of other tractors, and ultimately ended up with the Husqvarna, and it's the GT54LS, and I went with this one because I didn't necessarily need 4x4, but it would have been helpful for the things that I plan on doing with this tractor. However, this one is not 4x4, but it does have a locking differential, which I think is going to be very helpful for when I am going up my slopes and stuff on this backyard and trying to pull with this. I'm not doing tractor pulls or anything like that, but I am going to be using the dump cart here that I bought with it. So far the tractor's been pretty good. We got, really, I guess it's only about 10 hours or so on this. Used it to mow the yard a couple of times and some light work. But just wanted to give you a quick rundown on this thing. It's got some pretty nice tires on here. It was the first thing that drew my attention to it. And this is the 54-inch motor deck. So that is why it's called the GT54LS. And GT stands for Garden Tractor. This is not a standard riding lawnmower or lawn tractor. This has actually got a little bit more power to it. So as you can see here, we're looking down. There's the parking brake on the left hand side here. There's the release. Obviously it's got the two pedals set up, forward and back. You've got your PTO engagement, your locking diff, built-in battery charger. You just buy the accessory option and plug it in, keep your battery nice and charged. It's flashing green, meaning it's still got some juice to it. You've actually got a headlight switch. Obviously shows your amperage and your time on the tractor. It's actually a pretty nice little thing. This one comes with the brush guard, which I'm glad it does because I have a lot of brush. And actually, from my understanding, you can probably cut some good 2 to 3 foot tall brush, or I won't say brush, but let's say tall grass with this, and that helps knock it down so it goes under the mower deck. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 settings of your levels here. Gas tank is on the side. This is one thing I do not like about this tractor, because all of the new gas tanks have these special spouts that they're just a pain in the butt to pour, and when you're trying to put a 5-gallon fuel can up here and use those spouts, it has a tendency to spill. And this here also has a 12-volt power adapter on the side, which I just noticed. I had never noticed that before. And go ahead and pop the hood here. So pretty clean. This one has the Briggs & Stratton engine, 24 horse, and it's 724 cc. Here's the battery setup, just a small little battery up in there, and that's really it. I mean, that besides the motor, the drive shaft and everything, it's all pretty nicely compact, easy to work on. And in the back, I installed this myself. This is a ball hitch to the pin adapter, but if you need a manual release to push your mower if you get stuck, there's your release button back there. All in all, it's been a good mower. A lot of people have complained about the mowing capability of it, but I have had no problem. So far we've had pretty good luck with it. I think this is a hose bib here to clean out your deck. It's not like your standard screw-on. I think it probably requires an adapter or something of that nature, which I do not have. But all in all, it's a pretty good deal. And going back here real quickly to the dump cart that I got with it. I know this thing will carry 600 pounds. My brother seems to think it'll do 1,000 pounds. And it very well could. That could be what the 1000S stands for. But this is the DC 1000S dump cart. And I think here is the quick release for the dumping action. We haven't tried that feature yet. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. So if you step on that, it should pop off here. I got stuff in the back and I don't feel like picking it all back up. But we've been using this to haul wood, large logs for splitting, and so far it's worked out great. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and feel free to contact me about it. I will have more information on my blog site and, you know, link to some places where you can do your own research. I've been really happy with this one. Husqvarna. This is the GT54LS. Alright, on to the next.